What's good YouTube, it's your brother Banks, and I'm right here again with another video. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to stay disciplined in trading. Because anybody can trade, everybody can trade, but staying disciplined to in order to be profitable, to make consistent profit is kind of hard somehow. So that's why I'm here. That's why I'm here with this video. So number one here on my list is setting a clear goal. For you to stay disciplined in trading, you really have to, have a clear goal. And what I mean by this is knowing what you're looking for. Or knowing what you're looking for. You don't just wake up and jump into the market without knowing where you're going. It's like, like you jump into the market without having a clear goal about what you want, what you're looking for. It's just like you waking up in the morning, you're getting out of your bed and just get up just like that and just go out, just walking on the street. You don't have any directional bias. You don't know where you're going. You don't know where you don't know where you're going. You don't know what you're going to do. You just wake up as if you're sleepwalking. You feel me? Now back to track. So now having a clear goal to me is like this does not it's not about your analysis or maybe psychology or whatever. To me, having a clear goal is about your it is the numbers game. It is the numbers game. Like in terms of knowing the particular amount you're risking, the particular amount you're risking and what you are looking for. Like don't just get into the market and okay, you just want to buy without having a certain amount you want to put on that particular trade. Or looking at a particular amount you're risking forward to gain. You are risking certain amount to gain this particular amount. So you must have something like that. Okay, if I'm risking $50, I'm risking this $50 to gain 150, or I'm risking this $50 to gain 300. I'm risking this $50 to gain 300, stuff like that. So have something you're looking at here. Have a goal. Know what you're working towards to, and once you hit that particular $300 you're looking for, what's the next thing to do? The next thing is to close your laptop or close your phone, shut down whatever you're trying to do, and just get out of the market. Don't even watch it. You don't have to do anything anymore, because staying there will make you see something. That's what we call addiction. That's what we call obsession. You gain obsessed with the chart here. Once you reach your target, you achieve your aim here. The next thing is to just leave your chart, because if you stay in front of that chart, I promise you'll see set up. You will most probably, or you'll be likely see set up, especially if your recent trade was even a profit. You will be motivated. You'll be like, you're profitable, so I should actually trade more, and that's how you get to lose the profit you just made. And for the losing side, have a certain amount you plan to lose here. Like this is the X amount of money I'm about to lose today. Maybe $50, maybe $100, maybe $500, $1,000, depending on your account size here. Once you reach your limit, lose the first 100, lose the second 100, lose the third 100, maybe on your trading it says your risk per day is 300. Now maybe depending on your trading strategy or your trading style, maybe you lose that 300 at a time, or maybe you lose it 3 times, or maybe 2 times. You are done for the day. Just close the laptop and leave there. And if you make profit tall, so be it. Take your profit and move on, bro. You don't want to overtrade. That's how, because if you're not disciplined enough, if you don't try your best, if you don't try as much as possible to stop looking at the market will always come back to take what it has given to you. The market is about give and take. If you don't know when to leave, if you take from the market, if you don't know when to leave, the market will surely come back to take what it gave to you back. So that's what that's about. Setting a clear goal here, knowing where you're going here. So the number 2 on my list is having a trading plan. Now, having a trading plan is you knowing the exact thing you're looking for in the forex market here, I promise you, you don't just wake up and just come into the market blindly that okay, I just want to buy from here just like that. That you just want to buy from here just like that. Maybe you just wake up, or maybe you just come back from your workplace, or and just want to buy just like without doing any proper analysis, without having any directional bias or anything for confidence. It's not possible. How do you make profit? So you should be disciplined enough to have a trading plan, to make a trading plan by yourself, and be disciplined enough to follow that particular trading plan you made. You feel me? There's different, like you can actually make a trading plan, you can actually have a trading plan, but don't follow it. So, and this is where the discipline comes in. You having a trading plan or making a trading plan and the ability to follow it is what we call discipline. This is where you are supposed to work on. This is what you should work on. If you have a trading plan, or if you don't have yet, you should try your best to gain one and try to follow it. Know your directional bias, know where you are trading to. The market is going up. Know that okay, this is where the market is coming from, this is where the market is going to, this is where I'm going to enter. If the market, if you are trading reversal, have it in mind on your trading plan. If the market does not come to this particular place, have it in mind that that trade is a no. The trade must come back. You are trading reversal. The trade is going up. The market must come back before you enter and buy. If the market does not come back to a certain level, have a certain level the market is going to come back to. And it is your trading plan that will tell you that one. It is your trading plan that will give you your trading directional bias, your trend, your entry, and your exit. And you must follow all these things. Learn to wait for the price to come back to your entry. Or if you are trading continuation, you most definitely have somewhere the price you're looking for the price to go to. If the price does not reach there, if the price has not gotten there, or maybe let's say exceeded where you expected it to get to for you to enter, maybe buy or sell. If the price has exceeded that place, maybe past that place, I wouldn't expect you to still have anything to do with that trade. Only if it comes back to your initial entry. So your ability to stick to what is in your trading plan will really help you in your trading journey to profitability. So that's for that about having a trading plan here. So the last one on my list here is making a prior preparation, like prepping. You can also call it like prepping the market. You don't just wake up and jump into the market without prior preparation. Learn to make prior preparation. Make prior analysis. You don't just get to the market, or maybe come from nowhere, maybe in the afternoon, maybe just come from your workplace, you just wake up in the morning and just it is that morning you now start drawing trend line, drawing this. You prior to the day, depending on your trading strategy, actually prior to it's not even day, any trade you want to take, I expect you to have made a prior analysis. Look at where the market is coming from. Look at where the market is going to. Just like your number two, which is having a trading plan. You should have a certain place the market is coming to. That's why you should wait for the market. It's not that now you just get to the market, you just feel like, and based on experience, there's this type of urge that we do feel at times that the market is leaving us. Meanwhile, the market is not even going anywhere. It is only because we never made a prior analysis. Now just get into the market because you see the market is in an uptrend, and maybe you are trading in a reversal pattern, or maybe retracement, or whatever. I don't know. You see the market has gotten to, let's say, this place. You see the market has gotten to this particular place. You say, oh, the market is here already and it's going up. And maybe this particular red candle, is forming green at that time, or because of this green candle you saw here, you decided to take a buy, and just like that decided to take a buy, and just like that you bought from here, and you lose. Boom. Doesn't mean you are wrong. You are wrong. Your directional bias is not wrong. Your directional bias is actually correct. The market is trending upward. You should be actually looking for a buy. But why did you feel that today? It was because you never made a prior preparation. if you made a sudden analysis, something you never prepared for. Yeah, that's why we use this particular setup, and that's why you really need to learn to make a prior preparation, like prep the market hours before you do anything. Hours before, it is hours, not even minutes. Hours before you think of getting an entry, you should have gone there, draw your maybe trend line, support and resistance or whatever, and sit on your hands, especially wait for the market to come to whatever you've drawn on your screen, on your chart. Yeah. So those are basically just the three things you must do for you to be, to be disciplined professionally, yeah, and be profitable. Because to me, losses are a result of lack of discipline at times. Lack of following proper risk management, lack of following your trading plan, lack of having clear goals, lack of preparation of the market. Yeah. So if you see that you are having like consecutive losses, it is as a result of you are missing something, you are not doing something properly, as a result of lack of discipline. So if you can follow all these things here, I promise you, we will definitely see changes in your trading. So I guess that should be all for this video. If you like this video, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel here. If you don't know how to analyze markets yet, do make sure you learn. Do make sure you watch the video popping up on the end screen or maybe above here right now. I literally taught everything about what you need, how to begin, how to analyze the market, how to register a broker in this particular video. How to trade forex from A to Z is on this video. So I'm sure you really want to watch this particular video and watch more videos on the channel. So I guess that should be all for now. Peace and love. Catch you on another video.